Let's face it, in general, RV service sucks. Hey everybody, Josh the RV Nerd of Bish's RV, and I've talked about this before on camera. It is no secret. Generally speaking, I and we really feel RV service is like broken. And I mean, we're really proud of our team and our facilities and the efforts that we put out for people. But the fact is, there are greater challenges in the industry that we could necessarily solve for exclusively at the local level. And that's why over the past year, we have been developing a program to help you stay camping and stay out of the service centers. And originally it was called BishFix, but as this has grown, we realized that the name no longer fit, and BishFix is becoming rving. Because let's be real, you didn't spend this kind of money and buy this thing so that it could spend a lot of time waiting for repairs. Something I don't think a lot of people realize. It is not uncommon for the average RV repair to have over a 90-day time period where it's either waiting on parts, waiting on authorization, whatever the case may be. It is not uncommon for an RV to spend up to 3 months out of your possession and completely out of service. And that's ridiculous. That's completely unacceptable. We don't disagree. That's why we built a better way to keep you out of the service centers and to make it so that you can continue to make those memories and keep the thing in your driveway instead of sitting here in ours. And the secret in the sauce, how we do this, is happening right here behind us right now. This is BishFix becoming rving in real time. Basically, think of this like telehealth for camping. You call in on your phone, and we just have a little video chat with you, and you get to actually be either in your own driveway, at the campsite, show us what's happening, and we have found that we could resolve a huge number of challenges remotely and completely avoid the need for you to hook up to the thing and haul it into a service center, whether it's one of ours or anyone's, and resolve so many issues just over the phone without needing to ever interfere with your time and never taking your RV out of service whatsoever. And even if it's something that we're not able to resolve for you, like live on camera, one of the cool things about rving is that it drastically reduces the amount of time that your RV is taken out of your possession and like parked in a service center waiting on things, because if we identify that it is something that needs parts or manufacturer authorization or anything like that, we can work on getting that accomplished before you hook it up and haul it in, so that the amount of time your RV actually spends out of your possession and out of your use is significantly reduced. But the best part is how this is now available to pretty much anybody. When this originally was debuted, there's a reason it said BishFix. This was available for Bish's RV customers. But we had a lot of folks like you looking at this said, I like my RV, but I didn't happen to live near a Bish's RV location, or I chose to purchase somewhere else. That's fine. They said, can we get in on this service? Well, as we have built this up and evolved it, we have decided BishFix is becoming rving, and it is now available to anybody. And what's great about this is how we have created essentially an rving certification platform. So even if you're nowhere near one of our stores, even if you purchased from another dealership, or if you're on vacation and you're really far away, you have the ability to have this service performed and potentially even get local physical fulfillment on some things from almost anywhere in the nation now. And that coverage continues to expand. So if this sounds good to you, it sounds like something you'd like to learn a little bit more about, check the link down in the video description, jump over to the rving website, learn a little bit more, and let us know if you have any additional questions. And if it's something that seems like it might work for you, you're welcome to sign up at any time. And if you appreciate how we are not trying to ignore and pretend like one of the largest challenges existing within the RV industry isn't happening, and that we're actually trying to do something about it other than just sell you the next RV, even opening the service up now to everyone, whether you bought from Bish's or not. Do me a favor, let us know that you appreciate the efforts. Drop a little like on the video. If you're new with us, hit that subscribe button and know that our goal is not just to sell you the next one, but to just help you camp better. If that sounds good to you, we'll see you around next time. So take care, stay safe, have fun, and happy camping, everyone.